Which celebrity's private jet can make it through this building gap without crashing? First up, John Travolta's Challenger 601. This is a Challenger 350, but pretty close. And this plane is fairly small, so it shouldn't have much of an issue. Next up, one of Taylor Swift's private jets. Yes, she has more than one. This is the Dassault Falcon 7X. Now, Mavericks owner Mark Cuban's Bombardier Global 6000. And finally, Drake's private jet, maybe not as long as you thought it would be, but this is the 767-200.